Hi, my name is Mariaksanthudaki and I work as a senior educator and product manager at our amazing science center Tomtix Experiment. At ISSM, I will present why Science Capital has become an important work tool at our science center in promoting the joy of discovery for all and how we utilize the research adapted in a local context. I am truly honored to be a part of the ISSM event, and I am looking forward to meeting you all and sharing thoughts and experiences about Science Capital.
Hi, my name is Lilith Rüschenpöhler and I'm a researcher in chemistry education at Ludwigsburg University of Education in Germany. In my presentation at the ISSM, I would like to introduce you to the concept of chemistry capital. I will present an interview study which is the foundation of my research on chemistry capital. And in this study, I tried to understand how secondary school students' resources at home and in school contribute to their chemistry learning and to their attitudes towards chemistry. So, this year's ISSM will be a great place to discover a lot of interesting research from all over the world on chemistry capital and on science capital, and I'm looking forward to see you there.
Hello, I am Christopher Herrera. I am an associate professor at the Open University in England. I'm currently researching how educators, teachers, parents and other stakeholders can help increase the science capital of young people. At ISSM, I will introduce and explain what science capital is, why it is important and what we can do to support it. Please join us at the 11th International Symposium of Science Museums. It will be a great opportunity to share your thoughts about a topical issue that can bring fairness and equity in society. Look forward to seeing you all there. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Beth Hawkins, and I've been leading the work across the UK Science Group to bring the research around Science Capital into our everyday practice. At the International Symposium of Science Museums, I will share why and how the Science Group is working to embed the Science Capital approach across our whole organisation. I will also share examples of changes that we've made, as well as some of the challenges that we have faced. It's wonderful that the focus of this conference is on Science Capital. We have been working with the concept for over 8 years now, and we know that through collaboration and working together, we can all maximise the impact of our experiences and inspire the joy of discovery for everyone.
Hi, my name is Dr. Megan Ennis from the Florida Museum of Natural History at the University of Florida. My talk will focus on Science Capital and Family Science Habitus and how science museums can help support these in families through museum programming. I'm excited to talk with you at this year's International Symposium for Science Museums. I'm really excited about this year's symposium and learning from so many researchers engaged in Science Capital work. I look forward to seeing you soon.
Hello, my name is Mariaksanthudaki. I'm Director of Education at the National Museum of Science and Technology Leonardo da Vinci in Italy. And my own contribution will be concentrated on the added value of Science Capital in the design of informal learning experiences in museums. I am honored and very happy to be part of the International Symposium of Science Museums 2021. This year the topic of the conference is Science Capital. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there.
Good morning, my name is Cherry Canavan and I'm a researcher at the University of Central Lancashire in the UK. My research focuses on access to science among underrepresented groups, and at the ISSM I would like to talk about my recent work looking at the impact of COVID-19 related school closures on primary science teaching and learning. As my research shows that informal science education, such as that provided by science museums, will be more important than ever in inspiring the next generation of scientists. I look forward to a stimulating discussion.
Hello everyone, my name is Jakob Torek Jensen and I'm a museum curator at the Danish Museum of Science and Technology. I am to talk about how we are developing new science education and new science museum practice based on the tools and framework of Science Capital. We are doing this in order to be relevant for the people who are not using our museum today and doesn't see the museum as something for them. It's important for our science museums to change in order to to be relevant for the millions of people who are not using us today, because science and technology is fundamental to everyone's lives and for our societies. I will draw on the experiences from the museum, but also address challenges and potentials which our institutions have in order for us to be able to contribute to the creation of a better world of tomorrow. I'm looking very much forward to address these important issues with you. Thank you.